And if I sold this bag today, I'd make more than what I paid for it. It's big enough to hold a 16-inch laptop comfortably. I've even managed to fit my 13-inch iPad in there as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my Saint Laurent shopping tote in black. And honestly, I can't believe it's been 5 years since I got it. I've used this bag through countless work days, weekend trips, and everything in between. So I have so much to share with you about how it's held up. I'm gonna tell you everything, the good, the not so good, and whether I think it's still worth the investment. I particularly want to focus on the wear and tear because, let's be real, that's what we all want to know when spending this much on a bag. The official name is quite a mouthful. They call it the YSL East-West Shopping Tote because of its horizontal structure, which really sets it apart from other bags. YSL actually offers North and South versions too, but the East-West version is probably their most popular tote, and you'll find it in all their stores. I've seen all three versions in person, and while they're all beautiful, I really think the East-West version offers the most versatile size and shape for everyday use. It's made from beautiful calfskin leather that gives it a luxurious feel while being durable enough for everyday use. The calfskin leather is slightly thicker and more durable than lambskin, making it ideal if you prefer a bag with more structure. Saint Laurent's calfskin leather is meticulously treated to enhance its natural beauty and ensure it stands the test of time. The bag features a beautiful gold YSL charm. What I love about it is that you can remove it to change up the look depending on your mood or outfit. Some days you might want to show off the YSL brand. Other days you might prefer keeping it subtle. The design itself is elegantly simple with clean lines and a classic shape that goes with everything in your wardrobe. Whether I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt or a dress, this bag works seamlessly. I chose the black version of this bag, and I'm so glad I did because it matches everything. So I never have to worry about whether my bag clashes with my outfit. Because it's black, it can actually be quite forgiving with wear and tear. Any minor marks or scratches that tend to blend right in, which is obviously a huge plus for an everyday bag. I've seen this bag in other colors too, and while they're all beautiful, I really think black is the most practical choice, especially for daily use. The black leather has developed this subtle, luxurious sheen from regular use that makes it look even better than when it was new. I've actually compared mine to newer ones in the store, and the patina that develops over time really adds to its charm. One of the things I love most about this bag is how practical it is for work. It's big enough to hold a 16-inch laptop comfortably. I've even managed to fit my 13-inch iPad in there as well, although it does get pretty heavy when I do that. If you plan on carrying heavier items like a big laptop, I definitely recommend using an insert in the bag. It helps the bag keep its shape and stops it from tipping over when you set it down. I still get tons of questions about my Koyana insert that I got a few years ago. They actually have a new improved version now that's made from sustainable materials. It's just as functional as the one I have, but even lighter and more durable, and you can actually wash it in the washer, which wasn't possible with my old insert. I've tried other inserts too, but I keep coming back to the Koyana one because it fits perfectly and has just the right number of pockets without adding too much weight. Speaking of organization, let me tell you about how I arrange everything in my bag for maximum efficiency. I've developed this system over the years that really works for me. I keep my most used items like my phone and keys in the easily accessible front pockets of my insert, while things I don't need as often like my portable charger or makeup bag go in the main compartment. This way I never have to dig around looking for something important. After using this bag almost every day for 5 years, I'm really impressed with how well it's held up. The stitching is still perfect. No holes, no loose threads, nothing coming apart. It's as sturdy now as the day I bought it. One thing I particularly appreciate is that the bag stands up by itself on any surface. This might not sound like a big deal, but trust me, it's so convenient. You can set it down on a desk, on the floor, or on a chair, and it stays upright so your contents don't spill out. This has been especially useful during my commute, when I need to set my bag down quickly to grab something, or when I'm at restaurants and want to keep my bag off the floor, but still within reach. Inside the bag, there's this pocket with a zipper that I absolutely love. It's perfect for keeping small, important items safe and easy to find. The best part is, this pocket is so well designed that sometimes when I'm just running out for a quick errand, I can use it as a small clutch on its own. It's like having two bags in one. I just take out the zipper pocket with my essentials and I don't have to carry the whole tote. It's such a smart design feature that really adds to the bag's versatility. The size of this tote is really perfect for everyday use. It's not so big that it looks like a weekender bag, but it's definitely roomy enough to carry everything you need for a busy day. I've used it for everything from regular work days to weekend shopping trips, and even as a carry-on for flights. When I travel with it, I appreciate how the top opening is wide enough to easily access everything inside, especially when going through security. The straps are also the perfect length. They're long enough to comfortably fit over your shoulder, even with a winter coat on, but not so long that the bag looks awkward when you carry it by hand. Now, I should mention a few things that could be better about this bag. The interior leather isn't lined, so it can stain if you're not careful. If you spill something oily inside, it might leave a mark that's harder to remove. I've actually successfully removed oily stains from the inside of this bag using a microfiber cloth dampened with warm water and a little bit of dish soap. Just make sure to test it on a small area first to be safe, because not all dish soaps are gentle enough. I've learned this through trial and error, and I've become pretty good at maintaining the interior of the bag. I also recommend using small pouches or containers for anything that might leak, just to be on the safe side. The magnetic closure isn't the most secure option either, so things can fall out if the bag is laid flat, and it can be a bit risky in crowded places. I recommend keeping small, valuable items in that zipper pocket I mentioned, or using an insert to keep them safer. Unlike some other totes, this one doesn't have metal feet on the bottom, so the bag sits directly on surfaces. I try to be careful about where I place it, and so far, I haven't noticed any damage on my bag, but it's something to keep in mind. I usually try to hang it on a chair or put it on a clean surface whenever possible. Let's talk about value. The price has steadily increased over the years, which is typical for luxury bags. And if I sold this bag today, I'd make more than what I paid for it. But even with these gradual changes, I still believe this tote offers excellent value for its quality and style. When you compare it to similar bags from other luxury brands like Celine or Louis Vuitton, it's still relatively affordable while maintaining that same level of quality and craftsmanship. It's really a smart choice for entering the luxury market, sharing many qualities with higher priced options like the Celine Cabas, from the leather quality to the overall design and functionality. Looking at cost per wear, given how much I use it and its durability, it's been one of my wisest luxury purchases. For anyone considering their first designer bag investment but feeling hesitant about some of the higher priced options out there, this tote really hits that sweet spot between luxury quality and reasonable pricing. The straps are the perfect length to wear over your shoulder or tuck into your elbow. Despite its size, it's surprisingly light, which makes it really comfortable to carry around all day. I can pack everything I need without feeling weighed down. I typically carry my phone and wallet in that removable pouch I mentioned, though I usually keep my phone in my hand or in one of the pockets of my insert for easy access. I always have my car key card in my keys pouch, my sunglasses, and sometimes my Kindle if I think I'll have time to read. Then there are the essentials like my Touchland hand sanitizer, lip balm with SPF, mini perfume, and other little things I might need throughout the day. When it comes to maintenance, this bag is really quite easy to care for. I've found that regular gentle wiping with a soft cloth keeps the leather looking fresh. The black color really helps hide any minor marks or scratches, but I've noticed that even when the bag does get scratched, the marks tend to blend in over time. I store it stuffed with tissue paper to help it maintain its shape when I'm not using it, although honestly, it spends more time in use than in storage. Just the other day, I saw someone carrying this tote in the mall, and it reminded me how great this bag looks, even after all these years. It really is a classic piece that maintains its style and durability. Every time I use it, I feel like I made such a good investment. It's perfect for adding that touch of luxury to your collection without completely breaking the bank, and the value you get for the price is really fantastic. What I love most is how it manages to be both practical and luxurious at the same time. It's not just a beautiful bag, it's a bag that actually works for real life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell. Feel free to drop any questions below. I'm always happy to help. All the products mentioned are linked in the description. See you in the next video.